One of the many things you could do in Hyderabad early in the mornings is to head to Cafe Niloufer and have Malai Bun for breakfast. It opens at 4:30 in the morning and Malai Bun is available up to 9 o'clock. Pro tip, doesn't help if you start early because this place is always crowded. We are at their oldest and most authentic branch, which is in Lakdikapul. Map location right in the description box. Cafe Niloufer is the home of chai, and as they say, they've been serving the taste of Hyderabad since 1978. They have 4 outlets across the city, one in Lakdikapul, one in Red Hills, one in Banjara Hills, and one in Himayatnagar. Everybody knows this place is famous for its chai and Malai Bun, but their menu has got so many other options as well. But we are here for their Malai Bun. They are also a retail business of tea powder. Did you know that the owner of this place is the first person to sample their chai every day at 4:30 am to ensure that the taste remains true to its standards? There's the malai and there's the buns with a little added sugar. Our malai bun is served. Now that's how you end your breakfast at Niloufer with chai. Akhila signing off.